Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 16 Mensuration, exercise 16.1, question number 9 to 16 of M.L.aggarwal class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to solve exercise 16.1, ninth first part. If the length of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 48 cm, then find its area. Here it is given that the ratio of the sides of a triangle here is ratio of sides is 3:4:5, means let the side A be 3x, B be 4x and C be 5x. From here only we can conclude. Now, as we can write that perimeter is the sum of all the sides, so we will add these sides 3x plus 4x plus 5x equal to 48, because perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a triangle. We will add these sides, it will be 12x equal to 48, so x will be 4 from here. We have finded the value of x. Now simply we can find all the sides A, B, C, and by Heron's formula, by applying this formula, we can find the value of area, which we have to find in this question. So as we know, we are going to use the semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter is the half of perimeter. Perimeter is given as 48, means half of perimeter will be 24 centimeter from here, and this is 24 centimeter. We will put the value in the Heron's formula as area is equal to s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and here the given values will be, here we'll put the value of s. This will be 24 minus 12, because the side A is 12. Here we will put the value of x. So A is equal to 3 into 4, B is equal to 4 into 4, and C is equal to 5 into 4. So 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 4 20. This will be 24 minus 12, and here S minus B will be 24 minus 16. This will be 24 minus 20. Here it will be 24 into 22, it will be 12 into 24 minus 16 will be 8, and 24 minus 20 will be 4. Here we can just solve it. We can write this part as 12 into 2 into 12 into 4 into 2 into 4. So this will be, on taking the under root, 12 into 2 into 4. So it is 96 centimeter square, means which we have to find here the area of triangle. So area of triangle here in this question is 96 centimeter square. So this is the final answer in this question, and this is the solution of ninth first part. Now let us solve here ninth second part. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Take under root 3 as 1.732. Here as it is given that it is in this ratio and its perimeter is 300 meter. So we can simply say that the sum of all these sides is 300 meters. So we will let all the sides as 3x plus 5x plus 7x equal to 300. We will add these sides and it will be approximately 15. Here this will be 8 plus 7 will be 15 here. So this is 15x equal to 300. We will divide this, so 300 by 15, it will be 20 here, means x is equal to 20. Now we have to find the first side. So let this be the first side here. So we'll put the value of x, which is 20. So 60 centimeter is the first side. B is 5x, which will be 20 into 5. This will be 100 centimeter here. Now the third side will be 7x. Again we will put the value of x, and it will be 140 centimeter. Now we have to find its area. So firstly we'll find the semi-perimeter, which is half of the perimeter. We'll put the value of perimeter, which is 300 divided by 2. So it will be 150 centimeter. Now from that we can find the value of area by Heron's formula, under root s. which is perimeter. So 150 minus first side 60 centimeter, again 150 minus 100, then 150 minus 140. So this will be 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. So this will be under root 7 here, 50,000. So this will be 225 into 10,000 here into 3, which is equal to 15 into 100 ka under root 3. So 1500 under root 3 centimeter cube. So we will put the value of under root 3 here. 1500 into under root 3 value is given in the question as the which we have to take. So 1.732. So we'll multiply this part, and multiplying it will be 2598 point this. So this will be approximately 2598 meter square. So this is the final answer. Means the area of that this triangle here is 2598. So this is the solution of the 9 second part here. Let us solve here 10th question. ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to AC. This is 4 centimeter and angle A is equal to 90 degree. We have to calculate the area of triangle ABC. We have to also find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. Like this, let the perpendicular here. And so here we can firstly find by applying Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write here the hypotenuse in this triangle. So let this BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. We'll put the value of AC and AB. This will be 4 square plus 4 square. So 16 plus 16, it will be 32, and BC under root we will take here. So this will be 4 under root 2 centimeter. Here we will find firstly the area of triangle ABC. This is half of base into height. So from this base and height we can find the area. So base here it is 4, and this height is also 4. So we can just cancel out this and it will be 8 centimeter square. From there we find it the area of this triangle ABC. Now from this part by height and this base BC, we can just find out the value of here this BC and A. Let this be AD. So from that we can find out the this height. Let this be H. So let this area of triangle ABC as half of height into BC as base. So we have to find here this part H, because we know the area here 8 centimeter. We'll put the value and half into H into BC. Here this BC is equal to 4 under root 2. So let this be 4 under root 2. From there only we can just find out the value of H. So H is equal to 8 into 2 divided by 4 under root 2. This will be cancelled out and it will be 4 under root 2 from here. To rationalize it, we can just multiply this with under root 2 here. So let us rationalize this. On rationalizing, this will be under root 2 into under root 2. So 4 under root 2 divided by 2. So 2 under root 2 is the final answer. Here we can also put the value of under root 2, which is 1.41. So 2 into 1.41 is equal to, and multiplying, 2.82 centimeter. So this is the value of height here, 2.82 centimeter, and area of this triangle is 8 centimeter square. So this is the final answer of this 10th part, and this is the solution of this question. Let us solve here 11th question. We have to find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 12 centimeter each and the perimeter is 30 centimeter. Here let this isosceles triangle be ABC and these two sides are equal, AB and BC. We have to find here BC so that we can find the area by Heron's formula. So let this AB plus BC plus CA is equal to the perimeter of triangle. Here we will put the value of these. So this will be 12 plus 12 plus BC is equal to perimeter. Here it is given to us as 30 centimeter. So from that we can find 30 minus 24. So this will be 6 centimeter. Means the value of the side BC is 6 centimeter. Now by Heron's formula, firstly we will find the semi-perimeter to find the area. Semi-perimeter is the half of perimeter. So it will be 30 by 2. So 15 centimeter. Now area of this triangle will be under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. We'll put all the values. This is 15. So 15 minus 12. Again 15 minus 12. And here 15 minus 6. So this will be 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. So this will be, here we can write this part. So here this will be 81 firstly. 81 into 15 and 9 under root 15 centimeter square. Under root 15 we can put the value of under root 15. Under root 15 is equal to 3.873. So we will put 3.873 centimeter square, and that we can write because area is in centimeter square. So this will be 34.857 centimeter square. So this is the final answer in this question. Means area here is area of triangle ABC. This is the final answer which we have to find in this question. And this is the solution of this question. 11th. We have 12th question. We have to find the area of an isosceles triangle whose base is 6 centimeter and perimeter is 16 centimeter. So as we know, perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a triangle. As it is an isosceles triangle, AB is equal to AC, or we can say this BC is equal to AC. So we can say AB is equal to AC, which is equal to X. We'll put the value. So on solving that, we can find the value of X from here, and AB is equal to BC, means this is equal to 5. Now this BC, this is AC here, and we know that this BC is not equal, no, means the alternate side here, and it is not the same side. So BC is equal to 6 centimeter, as it is given that base is 6 centimeter. From that we can find the value of BD, and BD is equal to half of 6, so this is 3 centimeter. And we can find now AB. The we have to find the altitude here. So from Pythagoras theorem here we can find the value of altitude as AD square. So AD is equal to 4 centimeter from that. Now by putting the value in half base into height formula of area, we can just write half into base into height. So half into BC into AD, will put BC is base here and AD is the altitude. So this will be 6 into 4. On cancelling out, we will get 12 centimeter area of triangle ABC. So this is the answer of the 12th question, and this is the solution of this question. Now let us solve here 13th question. The sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 5x centimeter and 3x minus 1 centimeter. Then calculate the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle if its area is 60 centimeter. So here it is given that in right angle triangle there are 5x centimeter and 3x minus 1 centimeter sides of a triangle. So let here AB be 5x centimeter and BCB 3x minus 1 centimeter. We have to calculate the length of the hypotenuse. So firstly we will find area of triangle ABC. From that we can find the value of x. So this will be half AB into BC. We can put the value, this is equal to 60 centimeter area. So we will put area as 60 centimeter square into AB. AB is 5x and here BC is 3x minus 1. So this will be 120 equal to 15 x square minus 5x. So by quadratic forming an quadratic equation, we can solve this as 15x square minus 5x minus 120 equal to 0. We will take 5 as common, so this will be 3x square minus x minus 224 equal to 0. So here it will be 3x square minus x minus 24 equal to 0. So 3x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 24 equal to 0. We will take common as 3x 3 minus 3x minus 3 plus 8 x minus 3 equal to 0. Here we have taken 3x as common, so this will be x only. So 3x plus 8, the factors of this quadratic equation will be 3x plus 8 and x minus 3 equal to 0. As x is equal to minus 8 by 3 is not possible, so this will be not the value of x, and here x is equal to 3 is the value of x. From that only we can write the value of AB as 5 into 3. So this will be 15 centimeter, and BC is equal to 3 into 3 minus 1 equal to 9 or minus 1 equal to 8 centimeter. So BC is equal to 8 centimeter here. And now in right angle triangle ABC we can find the value from there only, as AC square we have to find. Means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We'll put the value of AB. This is 15 whole square plus BC as 8 ka whole square. So this will be 225 plus 64 equal to 289. We'll take the under root. On taking under root, AC is equal to 17 centimeter. Means the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle which we have to find is 17 centimeter. So this is the final answer of the 13 question, and this is the solution of the 13 question here. Let us solve here 14 question. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So let this right angle triangle be here ABC, and this is perpendicular 90 degree, and AB is given as 2x plus 1, BC is given as x plus 1. So here, if the area of triangle ABC is 60 centimeter, we have to find its perimeter. So by the formula half base into height, we can write here area of triangle ABC is equal to half BC into AB. We'll put the value here as the area is given as 60. So this will be half into x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. So this will be 60 into 2 equal to 2x plus 1, and here x plus 1. So this is 120 equal to 2x square plus 2x, and here this will be x plus 1. So 120 is equal to 2x square plus 3x, and this will be plus 1 here. So this will be 2x square, and making it in a quadratic form, plus 3x plus 1 minus 120 equal to 0. So 2x square plus 3x here minus 119 equal to 0. 2x square plus 17x minus 14x minus 119 equal to 0. So we'll take common as x here. So this is 2x plus 17, and here we will take common as 7. So again 2x plus 17 equal to 0. This is x minus 7 and 2x plus 17 equal to 0. We can write here x is equal to 7, or x is equal to minus 17 by 2. This is not possible, so we will take here x is equal to 7. Now we'll put in to find AB here. AB is 2x plus 1. So 2 into 7 plus 1 is equal to 15, and BC is equal to x plus 1. So this will be 8 centimeter. Now by Pythagoras theorem we can find the hypotenuse AC square as AB square plus BC square. AB square will be 15 ka whole square plus BC, this will be 8 ka whole square. Here we can write it as 225 plus 64 equal to 289. So AC is equal to 17 centimeter. Means here perimeter AB plus BC plus CA, we can write it as 15 plus 8 plus 17 as 40 centimeter. So the value of perimeter which we have to find in this question is 40 centimeter after finding the hypotenuse. So this is the solution of the 14th question here. Let us solve here 15th question. If the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 60 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, find its area. So here the perimeter is given to us. So here hypotenuse is also given. So hypotenuse is equal to 25 centimeter, and Hence here we can write it as that the sum of two sides, the sum of two remaining sides is equal to which is base and altitude. So this will be 60 minus 25. So this is 35 centimeter. Here we will let base as x, base as x centimeter, and altitude as 35 minus x centimeter. So here by Pythagoras theorem here, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write it as that x square plus 35 minus x का whole square is equal to we can write 25 का whole square. So this will be x square plus 1225 plus x square minus 70x equal to 625. So here we can write 2x square minus 70x plus 1225 minus 625 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 70x plus 600 equal to 0. We will divide it by 2. So x square minus 35x plus 300 equal to 0. Or we will take here common. So from that we can take factors as x square minus 15x minus 20x plus 300 equal to 0. From there taking x as common, x minus 15 minus here common minus 20 we will take. So this will be x minus 15 equal to 0. Means x is equal to 15 from here and x is equal to 20 from here. So these are the two sides here, and by these two sides only we can find the area of this triangle, which is half base into height. So we'll put all these two sides, because in putting in the value of altitude we will get as 35 minus 15 will be 20, and 35 minus, if we take 20 as base, so the 20 as base on taking we will get 15, means two sides are 15 and 20. We'll put the value 15 and 20 here. So this will be 10, cancelling out of 10, and 150 centimeter square is the final answer here in this question. Means area of triangle, area of this triangle is 150 centimeter square, and this is the final solution of the 15 question. Now let us solve here 16 question. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 40 centimeter. The base is 2/3 of the sum of equal sides. Then find the length of each side. Let here the equal side. Let this be AB. Let this be the triangle here. ABC means AB is equal to AC, which is x centimeter, and the sum of all the sides is perimeter. And here it is given that this BC, base BC, is equal to 2/3 of the sum of the equal sides, means 2x. So this will be 4x by 3. We will just put the value, means the sum of all the sides will be the perimeter. So here perimeter is given as 40 centimeter. From there only we can find the value of x, means 6x plus 4x is equal to 40, 10x is equal to 40, and this will be x is equal to 4. From that we can just conclude that x is equal to 4 here. Sorry, here we have not multiplied it with 3. So this is into 3. So here this will be 10x equal to 120, and this will be cancel out, x is equal to 12 from here. Means here the x is equal to 12. Here we have to find the length of each side. So here the equal sides are 12 centimeter. AB is equal to AC, so this is 12 centimeter, and here we have to find the value of BC. So this is 2 by 4 into 12. This will be cancelled out and it will be 16 centimeter from here. And this AB is equal to AC. This is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is the final answer here in this question. These are the answers here. BC is equal to 16 centimeter and AB is equal to AC, which is 12 centimeter. So this is the final solution of this question.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.